24 times zoom. Can go for more zoom. 34, 42, 60 times, 78, 94, 120, 150. You can see this mist and cloud blowing past the road all the time. 190, 250, 350, 500 times zoom, 700 times, 800 times, that's 800 times. Oh my god, it's really difficult to hold it steady. 800 times, 1,200 times, 1,200, 1,500. That's as much as I can do. And I'm balancing the camcorder on top of my window. I'm going to zoom out now. So, and that's back to, that's 21 times zoom, and I'll go back to 1 time zoom, which is what you see with the human eye, naked eye, like that. That's 1 time zoom. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that zoom test on the moon. I'm going to zoom in as fast as I can now. Actually, that wasn't as fast as I could. Hold on, start again. I really am going to crank it as much as I can. Ready? Go. Well, because it loses shape, I have to stop, or else I wouldn't know what I'm zooming in on. Wait for the camcorder to catch up. Hold on. Right, that is 31, 190, 600. I won't do any more than that because the quality is going to be shockingly bad. But anyway, you get the idea. There you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.